Hi, in this video, I want to show you how you can rename yourself as the host, you can rename a co-host or a participant. So one of the things we recommended in our HyFlex technology trainings is that if you're going to be using two devices to sign in. I'm currently signed in with an iPad and my laptop. And unfortunately, since I'm named Jessie Metzger in both of them, it's kind of hard to tell which is which when I've got a bunch of thumbnails going and perhaps I'm sharing the screen on one. So what you should know is that a host and a co-host can rename everybody in a Zoom. So there's a couple different ways I can do this. I'm clicking on my own self. There's a lot of options here on that little blue square, so you should start to get familiar with them. And I can rename myself. In this case, I'm going to call this Mrs. M's laptop. And in this case, I want to rename this to iPad. But I can also get there a different way, and I want to show you that one too. So I can rename here as well and click on more, and then one of the options I have is to rename. Same window pops up. And to do a full kind of review on naming and renaming, when we look at our security panel, these are the default settings. Your accounts are defaulted so that participants do not start with the ability to rename themselves. You would have to give them that ability. And we do not recommend that you do that. But if you have a student who signs in perhaps under mom or dad's account, and once classes started and you see their face and you've gotten to know them, you can simply go over here to the participants panel and rename them yourself to their first name. So that's something that might be good for you to know. So again, that's how we do that, those three blue dots, or over in the participants panel when we click on more. That's how we can rename. Hope this information is helpful to everybody.